Welcome to Aqua Planet. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hello, guys. How are you? I hope that you are doing well. Today, we are going to talk about the angel fishes, especially some rare types of angel fishes. Before talking about that, let's talk about the angel fish. Angel fish is basically the most popular aquarium fish, and they have a very good beauty and grace. And basically, these are from the family of cichlids, and they originate from the South America. Angel fishes are basically carnivorous fishes, but they can eat everything you feed them, but you need to feed them the supplement specially designed for them. For example, shrimps, bloodworm, and brine daphnia, etc. Guys, one more thing that will be very surprising for you, that angel fishes can grow up to 10 inches. Oh my god, that is a very good size. Now we talk about what are the aquarium requirements or conditions for the angel fish. Angel fishes are very hardy fishes. They can survive in any type of conditions, but you need to maintain good conditions so that they can grow and they become happy. For angel fish, water temperature needs to be from 74 Fahrenheit to 78 Fahrenheit, and for spawning purposes you need to maintain 80 Fahrenheit. And talking about the pH range, pH is required from 6.5 to 6.9. Now we talk about the types of angelfish, especially the rare types of angelfish. Angelfishes come in different varieties and color. For example, marble, zebra, half black angelfish, white or platinum, wheel, gold, black and white angelfish, or koi design, and many others. But today we are going to talk about the special and the rare type of the angelfish. So let's talk about these fishes. This is Pink Delight angelfish. It has a very beautiful color and it is not found naturally. Basically, it was engineered genetically, and first of time it was displayed in the International Expo of Taiwan in 2012. And the interesting fact about this fish that it glows in the dark. Oh my god, this is a special feature of this fish. Leopard angelfish, this fish is found naturally, but it is very rare in natural. It has special pattern like leopard on her skin, and it is due to the pigmentation on her skin. For maintaining the pigmentation on her skin, you need specific amount of light. Otherwise, the pigmentation or her skin will get disappeared. Next one is the blushing angelfish. As you can see in the picture that she has red color around her gills. When she becomes mature, the color may get darker. This is blackless angelfish. She has full black body, and this is due to excessive pigmentation on her skin. She looks like very cool, and some people prefer to keep her in the aquarium because she is very attractive. And if you give right amount of the light, you can see patterns on her skin. Albino angelfish is a result of special mutation, and it is genetically prepared. It has red eyes and there is no black spot on her body. She looks very attractive, but unfortunately, she has a very short life. So we can say that angelfishes have very large range of variety and they are very hardy fishes, but still you need to provide good water conditions and temperature. That's all for today, guys. And if you know about any other special fish or any other type of the angel fish, you can share in the comment section. And please subscribe Aqua Planet and stay with us. Okay, bye bye.